Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to CONFITECH. Okay, we are rebuilding this gearbox. This is a gearbox for Toyota Corolla 2006 model. So we are rebuilding the transmission. So the coolant of the gear got busted, and then water mixed with oil, with the transmission oil. So you can see the damage. See, it has wear out. So we have to, this one is the reverse drive. This is the reverse. This is the one we bought for it. See, and here is the drive. Something, all the fibers got burnt. So this is the one we bought for it. This is the one we bought. And here is the pressure seal. This is the pressure seal. The seal inside is weak, is not sucking pressure. So I also bought this one for it too. And then here is the last fiber, the overdrive fiber. So it has burnt as well. So this is the one we bought for it too. This one, you can see this one is perfectly okay. And then here are the components. So I'm going to rebuild it right now. I'm going to rebuild it in less than 20 minutes, guys.